Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into it, please drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's take a look at the chart. All right, this is the Tesla chart. We're on a 30-day, 30-minute chart here, and we've been talking about this price range for a while now, going back to 624. We haven't been able to get above 695, and this morning pre-market just took off. This is from Friday's close, was around 687, and we did get a nice test. We got rejected on Friday, ended up closing here, I'm not sure, it was around 687 or so, and then this morning pre-market just shot up right above the support, holding above it all morning, and then by the time we opened, we ended up opening over 700. Never even really got a test of the resistance here again, and just took off again straight up into the bottom of our growth channel here, and we got rejected there, but still held up fairly well throughout the rest of the day. Ended up closing around 709 and now up to almost 715 after hours, but it's really strong to see this, especially without a test of the support, which honestly I would like to see. It's something that just makes me feel better, because I feel like it's inevitable, especially after how hard we've struggled to get above this level for so long now, going back over a month, about 40 days now, let's call it, that we've struggled to get above the support and really have just seesawed back and forth. But we talked about the probabilities, we talked about the eventual breakout of this pattern, and after the test on Friday, we saw it this morning. So let's look at a couple other time frames. The 10-day 10-minute chart here, we didn't get quite up into the bottom of the growth channel on this chart, but let's look at the longer time frame, which I think is more relevant now that we finally broke out of that pattern. So again, this is our downtrend line going back to the all-time high at 900 from January 25th, and we broke out of that again around 624, and since then we've kind of been in this sideways pattern here. And so now today, finally breaking out of that level, and it looks now we're holding above this uptrend line, which goes back to May 19th, I believe, the low around 548. And we've struggled a little bit after the cross of those two trend lines, and now who knows, maybe we're finally starting to make a pivotal decision as far as which one of these trend lines we're going to follow. We haven't been able to get out and above this really since that cross until Friday. So maybe this is the move now. If we can hold above this 695 level, I really would like to see a test, even if it's just a quick one tomorrow, come down, get a strong bounce off of this support line to show that we have support at this level here, because you never know, we could just peter out and fall back down through this level, continue moving sideways at this higher level of the chart. But we talked about it for months and months. This 695 level is a very strong support line. Whether it's a resistance or support line, it's been a tough one to break through, and so now getting above it, we should be able to hold above it. So the next one on this chart, as you can see, is obviously this support here or resistance here at 730, as well as the growth trend channel. And so we haven't really, we'll zoom out again to take a look at a longer trend line now that we're seeing some real movement in the stock here. We haven't really seen this before, coming from below the growth trend line, because this is really the first time back in May that we've fallen below this channel. Usually we're either in the channel or above the channel. So back in May we fell below this channel. That was really unprecedented, and we've kind of struggled to get back this whole time. So getting back into the channel, you could see a real springboard up to the top. You never know. So sometimes I think this again will be another strong resistance, but after so much consolidation below this level, we really, if you look back We really haven't been above this level since the beginning of May, so it could be the time to really see that move take off now after breaking the 695 level. But for me, I'm looking for a test and hold above 695, and that'll be a bullish signal. And then the next thing that we want to see is start testing the bottom of this growth trend channel line. But it's nice to see that we finally broken out of there. I'm not gonna get too excited just yet. Tesla's been so volatile lately. I mean, again, guys, look at the last 30 days. This is, you know, a 70 or 80 point range, and we have just seesawed back and forth a number of times over the past 30-40 days. So we could drop back down to 670 or 645 tomorrow. Not saying I think that's going to happen, but just continue to be patient. This is obviously the move to the upside that we've been waiting for, but again, you could see further consolidation into the 695 for the rest of the week, and then the next move up to the next level at 730 or into the growth trend channel. That's all I'm saying. So this is definitely the move that we've been waiting for. We're going in the right direction, but continue to be patient because it's not going to all happen in one day. It's not going to happen overnight, just like all this consolidation, you know, doesn't happen overnight. But yeah, it's great to see. Great start to the week. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy my content. I make new videos on a regular basis. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little update after the breakout today. It's what we've finally been waiting for. Please let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. If you've been watching, if you've been trading, tell me what's going on with your portfolio. I'd love to hear about that. Thanks as always for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.